How to fix error code 232404. This video cannot be played. Hello friends, follow the steps to fix the error. To fix the error, you will have to disable IPv6. For this, click on search. Type ncpa.cpl. Click on the result. Right click on the running adapter. The running adapter will show green signal mark. So right click on the adapter and select properties. On the properties window, scroll down and look for Internet Protocol version 6 TCP IPv6. Uncheck this box to disable this setting and click on OK. Close the control panel. Then restart your computer. The issue should be fixed now. That's all friends. Thanks for watching the video.